Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Friday, the 6th of February. Let's get to our weather wisdom for today. And cloudy skies for today. Not as nice as the past several days. We have an extreme cold watch up from central Massachusetts all the way to the west, where we could see some extreme cold. So the cold there means that wind chill values will be between 20 to 25 below zero, which can cause frostbite on exposed skin in 30 minutes. So that's where the cold is going to be the worst here, and that's on Sunday. Now, before we get there, we've got some snow showers. So today there could be a few snow showers around the area. It's not going to surprise me if we see a few, especially this afternoon right along the East Coast. Then we're going to see 1 to 3 inches of snow. There could be 4 inches, 5 inches, something like that in very isolated areas along some of the shoreline roads, perhaps even into Boston, but more likely the South Shore. You get some of this around Weymouth. South Weymouth tends to do pretty well in these situations. Provincetown can do okay in these situations. And that's because the Arctic air is going to come over the relatively warm Atlantic and Boston Harbor and produce some snow showers. So that's why some of the numbers could go to 4 or 5 or even, I suppose, 6 inches. If it happened, it would be in a very small area. I am looking for temperatures today to be basically in the upper 20s with the clouds. You may see a little bit of sun from time to time, but basically it's a cloudy day again with those snow showers. Tonight, mostly cloudy, a couple of flurries, but the real snow showers arrive tomorrow. Tomorrow's basically a snowy day, light snow in the air kind of all day long. There won't be a ton of accumulation. As I said, 1 to 3 inches and a little less on the roads, but it's going to be cloudy. It's going to be cold. Sun angle's still not that high. And then that comes to an end Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, and then the dry air pushes out the snow showers. Dew points crash, temperatures crash. We go from the 20s to near zero. Sunday we're in the mid-teens with mostly sunny skies and a gusty wind. Those wind chills anywhere from 10 to 30 below zero. Coldest in the hills, northern New England as well. It'll be a tough day of skiing. Saturday won't be so bad, although it will be getting colder in Vermont first, eventually the western Maine mountains. If you are skiing, Maine will have easier skiing on Saturday. Everybody's going to have tough skiing on Sunday. Monday, mostly sunny into the lower 20s. This will be the third day, Sunday, that we have not reached 20 degrees this year and or this winter season. Last year we had one, and it's basically been one for the past several years. So several more than we've had, but not a ton. You got to go back to the 1800s to find a lot more than that. I'll update this tomorrow if it looks like it needs updating. Otherwise, plan on the 1 to 3 inches with those few areas of up to 4. Have a great morning, everybody, and a great weekend. And go Pats.